What is going on, everybody? Let's jump on ahead right into this watch list. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's going to help you guys, whether it's long term, short term, just in finance and everything like that. So that being said, let's jump back to the video. Okay guys, so before we actually get into this, I want to show you guys just some profits from today. Zach hitting 17%. Chase, congrats to the teacher. Today was actually a smaller gain for him, only 55 bucks. Normally he's been averaging just over 100 bucks. Shot and Star, absolutely killing it here for just a little over $4,100. Probably after commissions and fees, you make that $4,100. You probably spend $11 in fees. Zach hitting on another small account, another 13%. Again, I do recommend everybody starting with a small account. Bridget hitting 19% here. Zach hitting another 6% on an Amazon play. Danielle here, 7%. Again, small accounts starting to pay off. NVDA by Cam, absolutely killing it here with $410. Big congrats to her. Obviously, this was a swing play. Big congrats to her, though. Shot and Star, actually, I called this one. I actually told multiple people in my group that, watch for Amazon to pull back. It did. Congrats him. He pulled off another basically $600. So with that being said, let's go on ahead and let's jump right in to what I think is going to be happening. And the one thing I actually got pulled up over here on another screen is some news. So I'm not huge on watching the news and stuff like that, but the one thing that we really saw today, and we can even take this down, we'll take this down to, let's take it down to a 1 minute chart, because it kind of shows how big of a move this was. This morning we actually opened up down, or didn't open up the market down, but we had this gap down early pre-market. You can see how early it was in the morning. And then as pre-market, we were already almost testing a red to green move, which is actually very, very important and big. If it goes red to green, normally you do see it carry. And that's kind of what happened here with everything. And I'm going to go to a 5 minute chart because I like it better here for when it comes down to look into this. But we got these here. Apple did the exact same thing. You can see it here. Netflix and Amazon. These are all big movers. So what happened was, right out of the gates, there was a lot of talks of stimulus. And that's a huge thing right now. I know not everybody's back to work. A lot of people are back to work. But that and the debate was going on last night. If you guys watched the last night's watch list, I said watch the futures. And what happened last night, if you guys watched them, they absolutely spiked as the debate started. Nothing was even said yet, and they were already spiking. That's just the views and everything else of what was going up, and the people that were paying attention to it and ready for it in the futures. So I did figure, again with the strategy, if you guys were playing futures, I know I had one or two students that were actually playing the futures, that I told them this is what I would do, and this is what I'm looking for, and it ended up hitting perfectly, so big congrats to them as well. But here, SPY absolutely took off thanks to it. Now, I don't know what exactly happened here at the end of it. I imagine there's something to do with the stimulus and somebody saying it's not going to happen as fast and blah, 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 blah. But we did have a nice sell-off here at the end of the day again, but for the majority of the day, we stayed very, very green, and then we just kind of gave everything back the last couple of hours of the day. And, I'm happy that we had a solid day on the market. Don't get me wrong, had a lot of people make a lot of money, but that's not always the objective. So what I'm looking for here the rest of the week, we got Thursday and Friday left. I'm looking to make some money myself, of course, day trading. But also, I kind of just want to see what news comes out in the morning, and if we're going to gap up or if we're going to gap down in the mornings. Those are going to be two huge things to kind of look for on Thursday morning and Friday morning. I'm really leaning towards it more tomorrow morning, just being able to see what direction the big money. When I say big money, I'm not talking millionaires like myself and stuff like that. I'm talking about guys that got billions of dollars in the market that really kind of dictate the market, and that's really what you guys should be looking for. So that's something short term I am looking for, to see where the money goes, what they think is going to happen, because not only do they push the market a lot, guys, but it also is going to show on technical analysis as well. So with that being said, guys, thank you guys all for watching this video. I would stick to watching the main ones: SPY, Amazon, Apple, QQQ, things like that. This fourth one I have over here is just kind of an extra stock that we watch in the morning. But other than that, guys, thank you guys all for watching the watch list, and I look forward to seeing you guys in tomorrow's